Hi everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills. You are watching an AltaView construction update of the Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride currently under construction at Hershey's Chocolate World attraction. First new thing that you're going to see is the addition of photo stations in the queue of the ride. As you can see, a photographer takes your picture, gives you a wristband, and then the photo is available to view and purchase at the exit of the ride. Upon having your picture taken, guests will then walk through this timeline of the Hershey Company, the factory, a little bit about Milton Hershey, some of their products. So this is very interesting to walk through and read. One of the great things is that while the chocolate tour ride is under construction, the attraction is still open to ride, so we can see how things are progressing. When we get to the ride, you'll notice several scenes where the implementation of high-tech projection will be used, lighting has been significantly changed, and much, much more. The reimagined tour ride, with double the number of cows, some of which have been named already through an online voting on Hershey's Chocolate World website, will be opening Memorial Day weekend. I'm very excited to see the finished project and thrilled that we are able to experience the ride during this major transformation. So as you're riding through and watching the video from the ride, just keep in mind that none of the scenes are finished yet and that they're pretty much all under construction. So just keep that in mind, that the ride still is a work in progress, because it's going to be opening again, the reimagined version, Memorial Day weekend this year. Additionally, they're going to be having high-tech cars of the ride and much more, so we are very much looking forward to it, and I hope that you enjoy this video of us riding through the Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride under construction.
Well, that's true. Here at Hershey, it really is all about the milk. In fact, it's the milk that gives Hershey's chocolate its unique taste. And who better to tell you all about it than our official welcoming committee? As you'll see, it's all about the milk. Well, girls, let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's true that milk is an important part of the process, but let's start at the beginning, here at the Hershey Factory, where the cocoa beans arrive from tropical areas all over the world. From here, the beans are sorted as computers supervise the process, sending the cocoa beans through cleaning machines, like the one on your right. Any dried pods, stones, or other foreign matter are carefully removed. Hershey's quality standards are of utmost importance to us, and only after the beans are cleaned and screened are they sent on to our blending machines. Cocoa beans have different flavors depending on where they're grown, and blending machines, such as those on the left, combine beans from various countries in just the right proportions to maintain that unique Hershey's flavor. With the beans blended, they're then sent ahead to be roasted in large revolving roasters like this one. The roasted cocoa beans are then ready to move on to the next stage of the process, a process that will begin to transform plain cocoa beans into Hershey's milk chocolate. It begins right up ahead with a process known as breaking. With the beans now roasted, they arrive here at the breaking chamber, where the shells are shattered into tiny fragments. What's left is called the nib, the part of the bean actually used to make chocolate. The nibs now pass through milling machines, as seen on the left. This grinding process generates extreme heat, which melts the nib into a liquid called chocolate liquor. Of course, this liquid has no alcohol content. This is the liquid from which all chocolate is made. Next, this large press machine is used to squeeze cocoa butter from the chocolate liquor. This cocoa butter will be added back later in the process to make the chocolate smooth and creamy. Well, now we come to that all-important element, milk. And who better to tell us about it than the experts themselves? Well, the gals are right. Milk is how Hershey's chocolate gets its special flavor and the extra added nutritional value. As the gals say, it's nutritious. In fact, hundreds of farms around this region and thousands of cows supply over 250,000 gallons of milk each and every day. We're now in central blending. It's the heart of the Hershey's chocolate-making process. Here, milk, sugar, and chocolate liquor are brought together and mixed in just the right proportions to create that special Hershey's taste. As the milk and sugar is combined with cocoa, it's mixed together until it becomes a smooth blend of milk chocolate. But we're not done yet. From here, the liquid chocolate leaves the large containers in this chamber, where it will be dried once again. Yes, that's right. This liquid mixture is now conveyed to dryers, such as the one you see on your left. The dryer removes excess moisture, which results in chocolate crumb. The machine up ahead adds cocoa butter into the mix, which transforms it into a smooth chocolate paste, ready for refining. What's that wonderful smell? That's right. After all that shaking, breaking, baking, and flaking, we're finally coming up with Hershey's milk chocolate. But there's still a ways to go before it's finished. On your left is a series of roll refining machines. The refining process grinds the chocolate until it reaches a uniform and smooth consistency. Next, as seen on your left, the chocolate is further refined by a unique process called conching. These heavy rollers refine the chocolate for up to 72 hours until it reaches a silky, liquid texture. The material that leaves the conching process is called chocolate paste. These machines supply production lines with over 1 million pounds of chocolate paste per day. Now, after all that effort, we're finally ready to make a Hershey's chocolate bar. Here on your right, chocolate bars are leaving the molding line. They're then cooled and removed from the molds, the final step before being wrapped. And with our milk chocolate made to perfection, we then add peanuts, almonds, and other extras to create a world of wonderful chocolate treats. Here you see the completely automated wrapping machines, putting the finishing touch on Hershey's world-famous chocolate and candy products. And our tour wouldn't be complete without seeing our famous Hershey's Kisses. Hershey's Kisses are made by dropping a precise amount of chocolate on a moving steel belt and quickly cooling it to form the famous Hershey's Kiss shape. We can make over 60 million Kiss-shaped products every day. We're constantly making and shipping the world's best chocolate to your hometown, wherever it is, to make sure you're never without Hershey's quality products. Our goal at Hershey's is to keep you smiling. And now it's time to put you in the picture. So look up and smile for the camera. As you've just seen, Hershey's Chocolate Factory is a world unto itself. Thanks for joining us here at the Hershey Factory Tour. We hope you enjoyed your visit and that you'll come and see us again soon. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this construction update. Make sure you subscribe to Alt View here on YouTube. Visit the brand newly redesigned allamericanthrills.com. Like on Facebook and follow on Twitter and Instagram. We will see you next time, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.